Hello guys, welcome to the Bitcoin channel. My name is Udara and today I'm going to bring you this cryptocurrency video guys, and this is about Bitcoin. Right now the Bitcoin is facing its resistance guys, exactly as I predicted guys. Okay, if you watched my previous video about Bitcoin, you might be in profits right now guys. Okay, so what would the Bitcoin would do next? Okay, let's find it out guys, let's find it out. Okay guys, as you can see here, the Bitcoin is right now reaching to its 22,800 of resistance level. Okay guys, you can see the gold line is there. The each time when we hit the gold line, the Bitcoin has dumped guys, dump. So this time also I actually expect some kind of a dump or a crash guys. Okay, so expect that. Okay, only if under any circumstances the Bitcoin could break this resistance level and keep support on it, as I told you in my previous video, then we are good to go guys. Okay, but I don't expect that. Okay, I expect some more downtrend to go. Okay, anyway, this is the best case scenario for Bitcoin, but I don't think it would happen. Anyway, according to that, the Elliott wave theory, yeah, we can apply the Elliott wave like this guys. Okay, the wave 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Okay, anyhow guys, we have to keep remember this. Okay, the Bitcoin has to make the close weekly candles above the 20 EMA. 20 EMA means this yellow line. Okay, the Bitcoin has to create close candles above this 20 EMA line guys. Okay, like this. You can see here what there happened. The Bitcoin break this 20 EMA and kept the support on it. You can see, and consistently it made candles guys. Okay, made candles there also, and you can see break the 20 EMA and kept the candles consistently. It has kept these candles guys. Okay, above that line at each time guys, at each time you can see. So guys, there also I expect that now it has, you can see it has broken this 20 EMA. Yes it is, but it has to consistently keep the candles on it guys. Okay, if it dump again, then it won't happen guys. That bull run or the next pump won't happen, it will crash guys. Okay, anyway guys, this is the best case scenario, but I don't think that it will happen. Okay, let's dive into the smaller time frames and analyze the charts guys. Okay, I will go into the Bitcoin 3-hour chart, and here you can see guys, right now the Bitcoin is facing the resistance that I told you in my previous video, the 2.272 guys. Okay, if you can't remember, I'll show it to you. So in this video, the emergency Bitcoin update crash is incoming guys. In this video I have told you twice guys, twice I have told it. Only if we could pass this resistance level and keep the support guys, I think it will reach to this point, that 2.272 Fibonacci level, 21,497 guys. But you know, if you learned Fibonacci from me, you have to watch that video also. I will put the guys there also. I have told you. Okay, the next target would be around 2.272, and now right now the Bitcoin is facing to its resistance very clearly. Okay, in the latter part also I have mentioned that. Okay, so anyway, if we pass this 1.618 ratio guys, then we would pump from here. Okay, so my maximum target would be around $21,500 for this pump. Okay guys, only for this pump. Okay, yes guys, only for that pump. Okay, the Bitcoin can break this resistance level also. Let's talk about that. Yeah, so guys, I talk about this chart, and now right now we are facing this resistance of 2.272 guys. If you watch that video, you could have short right here, short right here, short right there. Okay, it's a small wick that is overextended, but you could you could short it. Anyway, right now it is facing its resistance. I still think the Bitcoin can do like this. Okay, yeah, most probably it is needed a correction, guys. Okay, a correction is needed for the Bitcoin. So if that correction happen, guys, according to the Elliott wave, we can expect another fifth wave like this. Okay, but I don't know really that pullback of this fourth wave, where it would be. Okay, like 1.618, I have just assumed it could be here, it could be here, it could even, it is possible to be here, level 1, because there is the maximum support here, because it is a very good resistance level, the previous resistance. Now it can act as a support level. Okay, so let's find it out. If we pull back from this point, what would be our next target, and if we could break this resistance level, what would be our next target? Okay, let's find it out, guys. Okay, first I will go into the 4-hour time frame, and you can see, yeah, right now the Bitcoin has reached its previous all-time high of this level, guys. Okay, you can see right now we are we have reached to this point, and we have got the resistance from this level. Guys, I think some kind of pullback is really needed for healthy movement for the Bitcoin chart. Okay, anyway guys, anyway, if the Bitcoin could pass this resistance level by breaking up from this, okay, this is a rising wedge, as you can see, so the downward targets are there, but if we could overcome from this bear flag or the rising wedge, then guys, my next target would be around 22,700. That means 22,800, as I previously mentioned. This price tag would be my next resistance level. We have to keep watching it, and if we could pass that resistance level also, guys, then we have to expand this Fibonacci level from bottom to top like this. Okay guys, so what will happen next? Yes, my next target would be around 1.272, this area, guys. Okay, 23,400 price tag. The fifth wave then would go like this to this point and get another massive correction right there. Okay, but I really think that the crash is needed, some kind of a pullback is needed from this point. Then we can think of these price tags later. Okay, anyway guys, I have something really important thing to talk with you today. It is about the DXY, guys. Okay, you know the DXY, it is inverse correlative with the Bitcoin. Okay, when the Bitcoin pumps, the DXY dump. Okay, when the DXY pump, the Bitcoin dump. That is the scenario, guys. Okay, you have to remember that. Okay, so what is happening right now, you can see, guys. Okay, if I'll take the larger time frame like this. So guys, you can see the DXY here, it has formed some kind of a parallel channel, right? This is actually bear flag. You can see this is a bear flag. So in this bear flag, guys, right now the DXY is reaching to this level, guys. Okay, so what I told you before, the DXY is inverse correlative to the Bitcoin. Okay, so if you can see, yes, you can see the DXY has pumped from this point. This is where the 2014 to 2015 the Bitcoin has dumped, right? The Bitcoin has dumped. And what has happened next, you can see this is where the 2017, right, January to 2018, the January, February, the DXY has dumped. But what has happened, the Bitcoin, yes guys, yes, the Bitcoin has pumped. Okay, when the DXY is dumping, the Bitcoin is pumping. That is why it is inverse correlative, guys. Okay, so right now what has happened, guys, you can see the DXY has pumped a lot, and it is right now it is dumping. Okay, so what has happened in Bitcoin? Yes, it has dumped, and right now it is pumped, right? You can see dump, pump. So inverse correlative, guys, inverse correlative. So guys, you have to understand this. Okay, so right now this is the DXY, and you can see the DXY is seeking support from 1.272 area, guys. I have applied the Fibonacci to this area, taking this is the lowest and this is the highest, and you can see 1.272 area, guys. It has, you can see the support, resistance, support, like that, and now right now it is seeking this support level. If it couldn't keep support on it, guys, then it would reach support from this level. Okay, it will, yeah, it will take the support from this level. If the DXY couldn't keep the support on it, guys, then it would dump more. That means, guys, the Bitcoin should pump more. Yes. In that case, guys, the Bitcoin could easily reach to this point. Yeah, this most probably 22,800 price tag, and then 1.272 ratio, guys. Okay, that means 23,400 price tag. Okay, if it happened, guys, then the Elliott wave, this fifth wave, can be taken as this low. Okay, like this. Yeah, it can happen. Yeah, this would be the scenario. Okay, that is, guys, that we can't exactly predict the market. There are so many factors that influence to this Bitcoin price, guys. Okay, so guys, so this is the best case scenario. But if the, yeah, if DXY could keep the support from this level, guys, then it would pump like this. Okay, yeah, sometimes it could reject it from this line, and if it could pass this line, then it would reject from this line. Okay, that is how, guys, that is how it is working. But my opinion is this kind of a bounce is needed for DXY. Then, guys, if it would happen, the Bitcoin, yeah, the Bitcoin could reach to these targets level of this or this or this, guys. Okay, it depends, guys, it depends. But the most probable scenario is, guys, in DXY, you can see at each time when this DXY is topped out in this channel, you can see at each time it has tested it twice, guys. You can see the scenario here: hit, then dump, then again it retested that previous resistance line. Okay, then dumped heavily. Okay, there also, guys, there also rejected, then again rejected, then, guys, third time it has, yeah, here it has rejected twice, here it has rejected twice. Okay, so, guys, in this time we have only, yeah, we have only been rejected once. Okay, only one time. I need that the second rejection, guys, that second rejection. That means the DXY should pump from this point, guys. Okay, so that means the Bitcoin, yes, the Bitcoin should dump from this point, guys. Okay, only if DXY pumped from this point right now, right here, then the Bitcoin will reach, yeah, it will reach to these support areas. Or else, if the DXY gets it pump from there, like here, if it could pump from this point or this point, like that. Okay, I mean, the DXY could reach more downside targets and pump from them, then the Bitcoin also will do the same, like this. It could reach the upside targets and dump, guys, dump. The opposite thing, the inverse correlative. Okay, like that. So these are the two scenarios that I'm watching at right now, guys. Okay, so you have to be cautious in both these scenarios, guys. Okay, fine, guys, fine. But you know, I'm always keep saying you the same thing, that the Bitcoin would crash so soon. This is just a suckers rally or a fake pump. It is my opinion. Okay, it might be wrong because I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm always telling you what I am expecting, and I put all the things on the table. Okay, all the support and resistance and all the stuffs I'm putting on the table, and I'm also putting my opinion also on the table, and you are the one who pick them. Okay, so please be cautious if you are taking decisions using my videos, guys, okay? Because I'm not responsible if you lost your money under any circumstances, because this market is highly volatile and you have to be aware about that, okay? So anyway guys, this is time for me to leave now. So these targets would be my upside targets only if we break through this resistance level, guys. You can see this Fibonacci level 1 and keep the support on it, guys. Then my next target would be around 22,800, and if we break through that, then my next target will be around 1.272. that means this price tag, guys, okay? So I think most probably this pullback is needed for Bitcoin for a healthy uptrend, guys, okay? I don't know where it would take that support, but the first target would be around 0.786, that means 20,000 area. If it couldn't seek the support on it, guys, then it would reach 0.618, that means $18,937 price tag, guys, okay? Like that, this is the last level that the Bitcoin would reach its support. Even the Bitcoin couldn't take the support from this level, guys, then it would crash and the market structure would be broken. Then guys, the crash I was expecting will happen soon, okay? So guys, I think you learned something new today also about this Bitcoin and its supports and resistance levels and the DXY. So guys, please do your own research about them also, okay? And practice them at home and try to learn technical analysis. This is a wonderful thing, guys, okay? Really valuable. Anyway guys, we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, see you. Goodbye.